Hello, it's Markham here from Markham 3D, and today I'm going to show you how to get materials and objects from Quixel into the Unreal Engine. Please help me out by hitting that like button and also consider subscribing to see more tutorials like this and as well tutorials on Blender. So from here, what I'm going to do is open up Quixel Bridge, and we're going to download Bridge, and you're going to go through the installation process. So once you have the Quixel Bridge open, make sure Unreal is closed. Let's click Edit Settings and make sure Unreal Engine here is selected, and the local library path, we're just going to set that to Unreal Engine. Save changes. From here, let's find something to download. Let's go some rocks. Everyone loves good rocks. I'm just going to click on these pebbles. I'm going to open up Download Settings, and because I just want this to download really quick, I'm going to go 2K. Material preset's going to be Unreal Engine 4. Mesh format will be FBX. Just got the one level of details, blah, blah, blah. And let's click download. So now it's going to download that asset. And once it's downloaded, we're going to go to export settings, and all this looks fine. Unreal Engine, engine version 4.23 is what we're using at the moment. Installation folder, we're going to go Unreal Engine 4.23 engine and plugins. And we will select this folder, and then we can see that the plugin 4.0 is installed successfully. Project location, let's just open up our project, which will be our first person template. And now we will click export. From here, we should be able to open up our Unreal project. And now up the top here, we've got Megascans. So let's click on Megascans. And now that we've got that up, let's come back into the bridge and export. And we can see that it exported successfully. So back into the project, we can see that it's working away. Let's close this. And now if we come into our Megascans, and now it's come in, let's put this one in. And unfortunately, that didn't work. The master material seems like it hasn't come down. So what I'm just going to do is download another model, and hopefully that'll recreate the master material. The master materials now have been set up correctly. And now we are using Megascan products within Unreal Engine. That is a very quick overview. Please make sure you like this video. It really helps me out, and really do consider hitting that subscribe button. Want to try and hit that 10,000 mark before the end of the year. Thank you very much, and until next time.